gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to do something different. We just want to break away from some few things, just going to have some fun. So we're going to go with Fifi as well with my Toyota Hilux. You guys remember that we also still a project that we're busy with, still a few things that we also still want to do, but we're still busy with our Audi A4. So we're just going to have some fun. Fifi's going to take us on a trip to the mountains and some rivers and just go and play some 4x4. So yeah, I'm quite excited about today. Like I've mentioned, just to break away a bit and just to go and enjoy ourselves. So let's go and have some fun. I can lekker man! Lekker stewige bultjie. Lekker diep onder water is. Hij is starig. Woehoe!
Nee, dit gaan op.
ons eie pad maak. Spotlights nodig het dat ons hierdie nie aan kan doen. Nou lekker is van 'n 4x4 bakkie. Nee, is dat jy nou letterlik op 'n plek is waar niemand ry nie. Kan ry nie. Maak jou eie pad. Nou die see is aan die ander kant van daai berg. Ek sê die see is aan die ander kant van daai berg. Joy.
Hi.
Maak jy eie pad, papa. Verskil is tussen hierdie Hilux en daai Hilux, né? As hierdie Hilux se kraapmerk kry, dan was hy hom af. As hy 'n Hilux kry, daai Hilux se kraapmerk kry, moet die bakkie vervang. Wat is so? Yes, vet pret.
Toby, jy is vol moeder. Kom met die agterin. Dis nou my oog.
Ek wil jy ook. Dis is so baie modder hier op die kant van skaars iets sien op die kamera. Ja, hier is barbecue. Hier is 'n barbecue. Nee, hier's. Toe ons laasie was, maar weet ons hier op. Maar toe was hy vol water gewees. Hier is nog min. Ja, hier is 'n barbecue voorby vir miskien nog voor. wil nie lekker.
Met jou kind op my skoot.
Die kan is die pad sien nie drie kamera nie.
Ja?
Die kan is die pad die venster sien nie.
Dis ook nie die window ander wat werk.
Is al wat jy nodig het.
'n regte rally car.
'n Regte rally car, die drywer hom net sien nou. Guys, that's it for this video. Unfortunately, the children are becoming a bit difficult as they are becoming tired. So yeah, you guys must have a lovely day further. God bless, be safe. I'll check you in the next video. Ciao.